mga kapatid. So for our devotion for today, we will see in Matthew 28:18 to 20. So it says here, 18, lumapit si Jesus at sinabi sa kanila, ibinigay na sa akin ang lahat ng kapangyarihan sa langit at sa lupa. Kaya't humayo kayo, gawin ninyong alagad ko ang mga tao sa lahat ng mga bansa. Bautismuhan ninyo sila sa pangalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. 20, turuan ninyo silang sumunod sa lahat ng inuutos ko sa inyo. Tandaan ninyo, ako'y laging kasama ninyo hanggang sa katapusan ng mundo. So, in this chapter mga kapatid, makikita natin, this is the time when Mary Magdalene and Mary of Bethany saw Jesus' tomb was empty. So, makikita natin in previous verses po. And this is the time na nag-resurrect na ang ating Panginoon. And makikita natin, they have come together on a named mountain in the region of Galilee, in the northern part of Israel, away from Jerusalem. So in this verse po, in verse 18 to 20, this is the great commission that the Lord gave to His disciples. And makikita natin dito that Jesus speak with great authority. And because Jesus has this authority, we are therefore commanded to go. It is His authority that sent us, it's His authority that guides us, and His authority that empowers us. And makikita din natin dito that He commanded us to share His word or to share the gospel or the good news and to reach for His lost sheep. So this is not just for the Jews mga kapatid, but for all nations. So we will see that His Great Commission is not only focused on Israel, but for entire nation. This is what Jesus wants us to do. Magpahayag tayo ng kanyang salita and ating pagkatandaan ang kanyang pangako in verse 20 mga kapatid. Nakasama natin siya even the world ends. And that's all for our devotion for today mga kapatid.